Alright, so what we got here is a BMW E60 2006, and what we done is we fully retrofitted in a brand new Android screen. So this is the old one that used to be in there, very outdated. So the new one, screen is now full HD, and also you get access to the Android side with full touchscreen support as well, digital dash, and also access to various other apps. You can also use your original controller to navigate as well, and full wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. No wires are needed, and also a full touchscreen. You also have access to the Play Store, so you can download all your favorite apps. Retains the original parking sensor display, and into reverse it switches up. And you still have access to your original system. If you want this retrofitted on your vehicle, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.